Yeah, to the store. So guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you already see the headliner right here. We just pulled it out of Lucy's car. So what we're doing is we're going to do starlights on this. So we do have suede here, and it is pink. So we're gonna rip this black on and put pink on it. She doesn't even know we're doing this. So let's just get everything started. You guys saw that we just pulled the headliner out of the car. So now we're gonna wrap it. So me and Frank, or just me, is gonna pull this off. We got the material off the headliner and we're gonna get ready to wrap it. So this is the pink we got. So this should be enough for the whole thing. So we're gonna go outside and get to wrapping.
¿Qué? Sí.
No, you do this first, and then this, and then this. And then this. And this. God!
Should I get more?
Yeah, but later.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So today we're here at Honda. Need came to visit us. He brought Lucy's car. He injured his hand. Frank? You called me Frank? That's crazy. And we got Anthony's head ass right here. Boy. You gonna be in the YouTube video? Say something. Frank's here, guys. Where's Frank? I'm gonna go real quick outside. Then we got Frank here. We got Frank, guys, here. I'm still mad at him, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. Say hi to the camera. Period. How did Nate dislocate his arm? Like, how did you permit my friend did that?
I feel bad for Nate, bro.
How did that happen?
Bro, I don't know. I think it was like the camber shit, bro.
Why would you do that? Why did you permit that?
Huh?
Why did you permit that?
Nigga. Oh, I'm on camera?
Yeah.
Oh. He said that was the day before. There's nothing else.
You know what? You're an elf friend for that.
Nigga, that wasn't me.
guys, I can't believe he did that. How he permit my best friend to get injured.
Grita ahí.
Huh?
Grita ahí.
Who's there?
Grita.
Christian? No.
No, don't put that on the video.
Guys, he wants to see Christian. He has beef.
No, I don't got beef. I wanna beef.
Guys, he got beef, but it's okay because period.
What is all niggas doing, bro?
Taking a whole video.
Crazy.
Guys, I have to go back to work, but you know, I'm gonna vlog soon with my bestie Nate. Cause he's my bestie, cause Frank is fake as fuck. Oh. Alright, bye friend. I'll see you, I don't know when. Bye. Feel better, friend.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You're not gonna be here for that?
Alright, so this is a time-consuming process. So we've been at this for a few days now. Honestly, we kind of got sidetracked. So we did the suede in the back. Then we got sidetracked for a few days. Now we're making the holes. And we still got to organize the stars. Now, this is 750 stars. This whole thing is 750. We have to take, you know, stars from each side to fill the name that we have at the bottom. So we're gonna sit here for hours, or it shouldn't take that long, but actually it's gonna take a while. We gotta separate and organize the stars because obviously you want this to fit perfect in the car. You don't want anything to get ripped off. Obviously we got the light sitting here in the middle, and then, you know, just a couple stuff we have to go back. So organization is key. So we're gonna organize this. There's 2 of these. See, since it's 750 stars. Like, me and Frank has done this before. It's nothing new to us. It's nothing new to us, but it is a real time-consuming thing. You just need patience. I have patience. He has patience up to a certain extent, but obviously we did this until 5 a.m. one time. So we sat here till 5 a.m. putting the stars in. Then we had to go to work 2 hours later. Like, we got it done and then we had to go to sleep and then get up for work. And then after that, we came back, glued everything, and then went back out to go to work. Because like we went to work, stopped, came back, glued, and then came back or went back to work. So it's just a really time consuming process if you guys do stars. And when you are doing it, just make sure you guys are organized. You count all your dots, like you just prepare. Just be prepared and have a lot of patience. If you don't have patience, I wouldn't even suggest you doing it, because this is gonna get you so mad. Or at least have somebody to do it with. Name, look at that right there. That looks pretty good. So I think Frank said he's gonna redo his, because obviously this is the first time we're actually putting a name on a headliner, because he usually puts an initial and he usually hides it under the visor, which I think it's not that cool. So how we actually have a whole name here. That's actually pretty cool. So he actually wants to redo his and put something else on his headliner. So we'll probably do that in the future. But for right now, we're just gonna finish making all these holes, organizing the stars, or start organizing them, and then start putting them in.
Mira, yo estoy tratando de. Oh, well, I'm speaking English so that my uncle don't understand. I'm trying to pick up the knees, bro.
Done. We only have one section left. We did glue these guys down with a hot glue gun. Shout out to Harbor Freight with their cordless heat glue gun. Batteries on charger. So we just gotta finish putting the stars on this section. We already finished the name, and then after that, once everything is glued down and is done, we put it into the car. You guys may see we got the stars in. I didn't record that much because honestly we needed all people hands on deck. So that's how it looks right now. It's not even cut yet. You still gotta trim it. I have the cutters somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. Frank just came back, so we're gonna get ready to cut all this and, you know, power it up, get it ready to go. So that'd be it for the starlight installation on this car. It was a pretty lengthy process, but she did like the stars. The car did come out good. I also did this front lip right here. You know, she kind of did scrape it off a little bit, but she did come back, and you know, it's falling off. Whatever, I'll fix that later. But let me just show you guys the stars again. By the way, we took out the pink seats because they were dirty, so we're gonna clean it later. But look at that headliner. I think it came out pretty good. I think we could trim this up a little bit more, make it a little shorter. But it didn't come out that bad. I think it looks pretty good. And I also think we should have put this more like right here, the name, because when you like film a video inside the car, it's not that visible. So I feel like we should have put it more back here, and I think it would have been more visible. But I mean, I'm not mad at the placement right now, but it did come out pretty good. You see, the black didn't look bad. We was like debating on if we should wrap the handles or paint them, but the black didn't come out that bad either. But yeah. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Maybe it's on this car, maybe it's on my car, maybe it's on Frank's car. We don't know.